All right, class. Today we shall be talking about how to simplify your graphic design. And it is as simple as this when I tell you that I'm a fan of simple graphic design. I'm not a fan of art design, and most of my designs that you see are based on the platform of simplicity. So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to do all these things in a good and better way, in order for you not to stress yourself while you're making a design for a particular company or a design for a particular organization and churches. So guys, let's go to our today's episode, as I'll be dishing out on how to do these things in an easy manner. Let's go there.
Okay, class, we are here to learn, and this is just basically for you guys to know that graphic is so simple if you can put in your mind and also be attentive to learn, especially from a professional like me. And today I want you guys to listen so well to me so that you can get this this aspect of how to design in a simple way, and not just to perambulate and make your design so confusing to your audience or your viewers. Now, like I said in my previous video, that I'm a fan of good design and also simple design. You see, when you try as much as possible to make your design so simple and appealing, your fan or your viewers will appreciate your design so well, and we want to patronize you or call for your assistance and your value that you can also give to them. Now, one of the things that you need to look out for when you want to design or when you want to give out a simple design are just two basic things. Number one, the topic or the theme or the title of your project. Let me repeat that again. The topic or the theme or the title of your project. You see, when you are able to identify this, then you are on the next level. And the number two is knowing how to graphicalize your theme or the title of a particular project. You in this coaching aspect of graphic designs, if you have been following me for some time, you will discover that my major aspect, or where I usually mount my pressure on whenever I'm designing a project, is the theme aspect of it. Is it that my theme or the title of my project is so big for my viewers to see, and it is not just going to be big but to be easily identified. One of it is what I'm going to show you now, which is 3D. You must be able to identify your the title of your project, and make sure you symbolize it well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you that the simplest way you can design, and also lastly the how you can get a beautiful background that depicts or also that symbolizes the topic or the theme of a particular project. For instance, here we have what we call Atmosphere for Miracle Lagos. Atmosphere for Miracle Lagos. What is a miracle? What is an atmosphere? And here we are in Lagos, Nigeria. What do you think about this word, Atmosphere for Miracle Lagos? And if you have been following me, you will understand that most of my designs are basically for churches and few of other organizations and companies. Now, this is a miracle city or a miracle field that is going to full of wonders, right? So it is also a gathering of Christians or believers. Let me put it that way, a gathering of believers. So if you want to come up with a good background for this, you must go to your Google search where you can get a background. I have taught you in one of my class. If you are just joining me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button, and please do also smash your hands on the notification button for any other updated graphic tutorial. Now, if you have been following me for some time, I have taught you guys how you can go to Google and get beautiful and good background. So the first thing you need to do is to go there, search for any gathering, any believers gathering. We're talking about miracle. It could be gathering of crusade, it could be gathering in the church, it could be gathering anywhere that pertains to church atmosphere. Okay, so this is what I did. I went to my Google search and I pick up this. this is a gathering of Christians like mind. Then once I've gotten this is one of my, the way I think and what I think is good for this type of design. This is one of it. So the next thing is to place your logo at the top. Okay, place your logo at the top. All right, then atmosphere comes in. It follows. It will amaze you. I'm able to come up with this simple design at the end of the day. Now then you move in your this is the main words. All right, atmosphere for miracle. Then you bring the Lagos over it. Can you see that? Okay, then you bring the pastor's picture here. Okay, all right, bring it to the center. Make sure it centers. Make sure you centralize it. Then the handle, the social media handle can come here. Then my splash lights, which I always use, we come to this aspect. Okay, then the name of the pastor will come right here. And this is how you can come up with a simple and beautiful design. Can you see that? Simple way. How long does it take me? It doesn't take me up to 10 to 15 minutes to arrive at this. You can also do this. Please guys, I always tell you, always watch my video, learn upon all these things that I do. The simplest way to get your design done is just this way. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. So make sure you know how to arrange your text, make sure you know how to centralize or how to bring up your wordings and balance everything well. Then the next one I'm going to show you is this. Like I said, get your background. This is diaspora. All right, diaspora. Okay, now what I understand by this diaspora and the kind of teaching I believe they could offer once this meeting is run is a prayer, prayer meeting for people outside Nigeria, people in outside Nigeria. Okay, so I went to my Google search to get this beautiful background. You can see this is a symbol of prayer woman, and with a touch of fireful background, as you can see. Then we have the logo. Place the logo. So I can bring it down here because I'm having a concept that I want to place here. So then it is not much. You bring this here. Okay, place it here. Then bring your dates here, white color. Okay, your dates come down here. Then the places or the countries that the prayer will be held and their time zones is here. So place it here. All right, then bring the host pastor here, bring it to the middle and make sure it sits well. Okay, then bring this here. This is a better way you can arrange your design in a simple form. It is so easy. Graphic design is so easy. If only you can watch my video over and over again to learn from a professional. So this is so simple for you guys to learn under a few minutes or in an hour. All right guys, so this will be the end of our today's class. Please guys, don't hesitate to like my video if you find it valuable, and also share to other people to learn from me. And please make sure you support me by clicking the like button. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next class. So for now, I will say God bless you.